80 series folding door. Unpack and arrange the parts properly. Assemble the four corners of the frame and tighten the screws. Pay attention to the position of the gasket. After screwing, it is necessary to apply sewing glue to the joint. The wall must be ensured to be horizontal and vertical. Pay attention to the indoor and outdoor direction. The track is installed below. Install the door frame and tighten the fixing plate. Installation of the first door leaf. First, place the gasket onto the track. Then screw the screws in again. This screw can adjust the width of the door leaf. Install the second door leaf. Slide the hinge card into the upper track. Align the lower wheels with the lower track. Move over and connect to the first door leaf. First, place the gasket onto the track. Then screw the screws in again. Install the third door leaf. Fix the hinge, screw onto it. Install the same on the other side. Door lock installation. Put the lock cylinder in first, then in front. Then close both sides and tighten the screws. And finally cover the decorative cover. Install the sword-shaped handle. First put it in the middle. Then align the side with the holes and install them in sequence.